morning, students. This is Praveen Kumar from Pearl Public School. Now I am going to conduct an experiment in your 9th standard science subject, that is inertia. Now these are the things what I have written on this board to follow to conduct an experiment. Right? Now the very first, the name of experiment is inertia. Then the aim of this experiment is to verify the law of inertia. Then what are the materials required to conduct this experiment? Nothing but I need a water cup, the weights as well as a piece of papers. Now you already studied in your theory subject, in your science subject about the inertia. We know that unless until without the application of the force, it is very difficult to move an object due to the inertia. That is a tendency of an object without application of the force, it won't move, it will never move. Nothing but that property, that tendency of an object, we call it as inertia. Now we are going to verify by taking these materials whether the inertia is present or not. Now we are going to conduct this experiment. Now look at this. Now I am going to take a water cup along with a piece of paper and a weight, nothing but I am going to take a 5 rupee coin. Now I am going to place this paper, then over the paper I am going to place this 5 rupee coin, and now look at this carefully. I have taken here a water cup along with a piece of paper and as well as the 5 rupee coin. Now I am going to do this. Now I am going to just remove, I am going to use the force like. Now I just removed the paper, the coin, the 5 rupee coin that fell down in this water cup. This is due to the inertia. Now how we are going to analyze, how we are going to explain this. Now I have taken this piece of paper. This is somewhat lighter than the given 5 rupee coin. Now you just compare this 5 rupee coin along with this piece of paper. This is somewhat lighter than the 5 rupee coin. Then as the weight is more than this given paper, it has more inertia than this piece of paper. I just applied a small quantity, a small amount of force. That force is very much needed to overcome this inertia for the given paper, not this coin, because what I applied the force is sufficient to overcome the inertia for this paper, not for this 5 rupee coin, because it has more weight. For that reason it has more inertia. To overcome this inertia for the given coin, I need to apply more amount of force. By doing this, we are going to conclude that as the weight increases, the inertia also increases. For a given of paper, we need a very little amount of, a very little quantity of force is required when we are going to compare with this paper as well as the coin. After that, I have already written on this. We are going to write what we have done by taking the cup along with the paper and the coin. Now we are going to simply write the procedure what we have done so far, and that will be applicable for this procedure of this experiment. And after that, the result, what we are going to write for this result. By doing this, we are going to conclude that we verified inertia for a given object. Like this, by taking so many things, we are going to conclude the presence of inertia for an object. Thank you.